So, is performance testing for you just this type of things that were designed to bring down the systems and kill them? Or to see how far can you push them and what is the capacity? But that's it, just slam it? If you think this type of things, most probably in your agile and CI/CD projects, you may be having some troubles. This is because performance testing, or what we just mentioned, is load testing. That's not performance testing, it's a subcategory, which is very difficult or pretty much completely not recommendable to be included in your agile efforts. So what can I do now for performance? Well, I'm gonna teach you and show you all the possible differences and things, new things, cool things, small things especially, that you can do to assure performance in your agile projects. Not just to check the capacity and see how far the system can go, because that also doesn't work well with cloud applications. So be ready to learn all the differences and all the new things that you can do in performance testing. Not load testing, not capacity, performance, making sure that your systems are snappy, are cool, are quick, are awesome, and that you cannot stop browsing on them and using them. So stay tuned and see you soon in Agile Testing Days. Adios.